For sports betting and other forms of gaming. Breanne Randall has more on tonight's top story.
Joe, a federal indictment alleges millions of dollars were at stake with this gambling ring. A federal indictment names 7 people on the Big Island and an 8th man in Arizona on charges they ran an illegal gambling business in Hawaii.
The indictment alleges a whole gamut of different gambling activity happening under the guise of this water company, including poker games, craps games, and illegal sports betting.
According to the indictment, Aloha Spring Water Company, a business located in Kailua-Kona, served as a front for the illegal gambling operation between November 2009 and November 20th of this year.
This case actually originated with some excellent investigating by the Hawaii Police Department on the Big Island, who brought this case to the FBI looking for some federal resources so we could work together to bring these folks to justice.
The indictment says that as part of the conspiracy, defendant Eric Ford entered into arrangements with other defendants in the taking of bets, the collection of gambling debts, and the payment of gambling winnings. The indictment further alleges they utilized an offshore gaming website to facilitate the placing of sports bets.
From a law enforcement point of view, we see a big difference between 2 people sharing a bet together on the Super Bowl between 2 friends and running an actually organized crime gambling activity.
Gambling is illegal in the state of Hawaii, despite multiple attempts at the state capitol to legalize some form of it.
I've been through this argument many times before, and maybe one more time.
Representative Joe Suki says he will look at introducing legislation this upcoming session to make gambling and/or casinos legal in the islands.
If we had legal gambling in here, you wouldn't have this organized crime running this illegal activities.
Over the past year, the FBI alone has dismantled several organized gambling rings in the state.
The FBI and federal law enforcement really don't have an opinion about legalized gambling, but as long as it's illegal and it's happening with organized crime activity, we're going to take it down.
7 of the 8 defendants have been flown from the Big Island to Honolulu and will have their first appearance in court tomorrow. Breanne Randall, KHON2 News, Hawaii's news leader.